If your Ford Mustang keeps dropping your Apple CarPlay connection during your drive, it is usually a simple fix. Statistics show that 80% of infotainment drops are actually caused by damaged or low-quality charging cables. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to isolate why your connection is failing. Start by swapping your cable, clearing lint from your charging port, and checking for pending sync software updates. If cables are fine, try deleting the pairing from both your phone and your Mustang's infotainment system to start fresh. Check your iPhone privacy settings to ensure CarPlay is allowed even while the device is locked. Most users solve this at home, but if the issue persists after a master reset, you may have a faulty USB hub. Costs range from a $20 cable to a major hardware replacement if the infotainment module is failing. For advanced users, checking the infotainment fuse and verifying the harness connection behind the dash are your next logical steps. Keep a high-quality cable and some compressed air in your glove box to solve these connectivity gremlins on the fly. Remember, if the problem follows the car and not the phone, you are likely looking at a hardware fault in the USB interface. Troubleshoot systematically, start with the cheap cables, and you will have your CarPlay back in business in no time.